So this is my implementation of stacks and queues. I've actually done this by inheriting from a linked list base class, which these classes, these stack classes and queue classes, pretty much are just sort of in-betweens between the linked list class. Here you can see that the initialization of a stack from an array just uses the linked list classes constructor to do this. So it's pretty simple. So yeah, so here's a push. All it's doing is pushing test, which is 4, to the stack. And we'll actually quickly compile this. So make file length. This is just a custom make file I've made in the past. So all right, build stack and queue. So you can see the 4. Unfortunately, you can't actually see it here. But if we quickly pop it out here, you'll see that it actually does work. Let's actually new line this. So let's oh, okay. It says it doesn't work down here because it's pretty hard coded, but yeah, it's fine. And if we just comment this out, recompile, and then run it again, it should work just fine. Yep, there it is. So you can see it's working because we push it here and then we pop it back here. So there's pop working. And here's our print stack function, which pretty much just goes to print list, which prints out the entire linked list, which is how I've implemented my stack. And that should be it for the stack. Now, if we go to the queue, we can see that it is entirely the same. So, in fact, yeah, it's pretty much entirely the same. So you go up here, and they are pretty much copy pasted, but it's fine. Here you can see we're constructing a queue from an array. And here we're pushing onto the queue. The way it does this is that it pushes to the front of a list, and then DQ just takes from the back, so from the tail of the list. And you can see that we should actually print the list here just to show that it does work. And it would probably have been better to do that earlier with the stack as well, but who cares? So let's make, we don't actually need to clean it because there's only one C++ file in here, so yeah. Yeah, you can see the queue. So you can see that 1 was taken out of the queue, which in our array is at the very end, and we've just pushed the 5th array element to the front of the queue. So there's that. And this is just quick testing. And then, of course, print queue is also implemented exactly the same way as stack is. So print list, which is right here. It's pretty simple. Probably could have done this a bit cheaper with arrays and instead of linked list, but it's a bit late for that now. So that should be it.